Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the one Scarab in titanium here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little fella right over here. But hey, don't forget to like this video, and please, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are enjoying this stuff that I'm bringing to you. Let's check this toy out. This comes in a anonymous black bag with some informations right there, and then of course one sticker. This guy is sealed up, and we're gonna open it up with this little fella right there. Let's see, like here, if we can just do something like that. I like to keep here you go, I like to keep the sticker in the bag, and here we have this very nicely done. This is titanium stone wash. That's the Scarab, and it's made by One. It's a slider clicker, so you have a very interesting configuration because you have two magnets here and two magnets on the back, and they are attracting each other, of course. Like, as you can see, you can open it up like that, and you can see these two tracks with these two little pins sticking out. So you're gonna be able to just slide it and click it. So really cool and really strong. The feel is really actually strong. Let's quickly check out how big this guy is. So the width is gonna be 1.37 inches with a height of here. It's going to be 2.06 inches, and it's really thin actually. This guy is going to be 0.31 inches in thickness, and let's just quickly check this guy out up against some options. Here we have AC EDC, that's the start, really cool spinner, and that's the Muji capsule, and I want to show you another fantastic one. That's the AC EDC, that's the gamer slider right there. Another spinner. I mean, this is just the Muji guy one. It's just an amazing one. Let me show you another couple sliders here. That's the Mahjong, of course, and here we have the Armor slider, and let me show you another titanium gorgeousness, EDC Lunga Vu bulletproof shield. Another clicker, not slider, that's the Gamer Pro by ACDC. Let me show you this big boy right over here. That's a Timascus haptic coin from Ambury. And what else can I show you guys right over here? What do we have? Oh yeah, this is the Choclick in Zirk by Black Mirror designed. Really cool one. And because we have it here, why not? It's a slider. It's the Ruisha spaceship in titanium. So let's check this guy out. This is a very interesting one. It is of course a Scarab. Immediately this can resemble something like, I don't know, like a transformer, like from this side mainly. I'm not sure if this can be used as a bottle opener, but might, I don't know. You have a lot of things going on here. You've got 12 holes over here plus one for your lanyard, so this can be used like as a keychain or something like that. And you have Tritz slots 1, 2, and 3 right over here. Nothing going on in the back, just like a nice stone washed finish, and some nice chamfers going all around like that. You've got two slots here on the sides. It looks like maybe this can go in some other, like you can be slided into something like I don't know. But here you have an interesting asymmetric design. You have these two grooves which are missing on this side. Maybe that's a design choice, I don't know. And then you can just pop this guy out and appreciate. Of course, you have the One logo on the inside. You have these two large neodymium magnets and these two tracks that are going to keep this thing together. And see, this guy wants to come back. It doesn't it gets attracted by this guy. So there's a nice balance for the distances created here to do this. So it's very, very interesting, the design. It's the first time I'm seeing something like that, and it's really cool, I have to say. It's very lightweight, actually. Let's just quickly check the weight on this guy, because it's titanium, of course, and it's not gonna weigh in that much. So that's something pretty fantastic. In the pocket is gonna be like 1.28 ounces. Would you look at that? Really, really lightweight. And it looks pretty cool, let's be honest. It's a scarab. It's like a mecha scarab. It's something like a scarab from the future, a cyborg scarab, I would say. This is also interesting to the touch, because there's a slippery face. It's stone washed, so there's not much texture going on. But on the front, you have a lot of traction from these grooves and this design here, so it's just gonna be super easy to play with, and it's not slippery at all. Also, it feels like the tolerances are pretty cool. This guy doesn't wiggle that much up and down. It stays in place nicely. Also, like from the sound perspective, if you push it and you just come back, you can do basically this noise upwards and almost nothing going back. But you can also do like that and just leave it and create kind of like a slingshot effect, which is going to produce a more resounding sound, like higher pitched, louder. Oh, you can also have it jump like that. Oh, look at that. Wow. That's going to be really, really loud. You can just lift it and it's gonna clap. Oh, it's a beautiful sound, guys. I'm already seeing people being annoyed by this sound, but it's a really, really good one. And yeah, look at this. Actually, this guy is wanting to pop out, so maybe it's gonna need a little bit of glue. But I mean, really, really cool sound. It's loud, guys. It's probably the loudest, because I have this guy, which is very loud, and I love it. Oh yeah, this is the loudest toy I got so far. So really, really interesting sound. The feel is great. A lot of traction. Looks absolutely cool. I mean, come on, guys. Look at that. Mecha Scarab in the house. And there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, just like the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.